Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Module 8 SAM Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Getting started. Open the provided Excel file, save it as a new version, and ensure your name is in cell B6. Install the Solver add-in if not available. Step 2. Management Worksheet. Create a one-variable data table to calculate sales, expenses, and profit based on hours of consulting. Create a two-variable data table for gross profit using hourly rates and contracted hours. Step 3. Change Worksheet. Create a scatter chart for the break-even analysis, resize, and format it with appropriate titles and bounds. Step 4. Process Worksheet. Create a scatter chart for net income analysis, apply a monochromatic theme, and set axis bounds. Edit series names to match the data. Step 5. Process Providers Worksheet. Use Solver to minimize total costs while meeting specific constraints, e.g. hours and maximum fees. Save the Solver model. Step 6. All Types Worksheet. Use Scenario Manager to create a summary report and pivot table for profit per hour. Add a clustered column pivot chart and format it. Save your work, verify it matches the instructions, and submit it. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268, or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.